Hello everyone, so if you want to turn your Xiaomi Redmi 3 on or off, so first of all, we will need this essential button. This is our power button. It's right here on the side of your screen. You cannot miss it. Now, to turn off your phone, simply hold your power button for 3 seconds straight, or maybe even more, until you will get your power off menu. Now you're to press power off. Now our phone is powered off. That was kind of easy, right? Now we need to turn it back. So once again, locate your power button. This is our essential button. It's right here on the side of your screen. Now hold it for some time, from 3 to 10 seconds. It depends on the phone, and as you see, we've got our power on menu, and that's it. Now just give your phone some time to be booted into your normal Android mode, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.